Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to find and download your Amazon order history using a desktop computer. First, open a web browser and go to the Amazon website. Make sure you're signed in to your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, click on Returns and Orders from the menu options at the top of the page. On the Orders page, you can use the drop-down menu to select a specific time range, or use the search bar to find a particular order. You can also use the menu options on the page to switch between different order categories, such as canceled orders or orders that haven't shipped yet. When you find the order you're looking for, click on View Order Details to see more information about it. You can repeat these steps to view details for any other orders in your account. If you want to download your full order history, scroll to the bottom of the orders page and look for an option that says Download Order Reports. Select the date range you want, then request the report. Amazon will generate the file and make it available for download. And that's how you find and download your Amazon order history. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.